Welcome back, my friends, to the Midnight Express channel. Before we begin, I want to take a moment to thank you for subscribing to the channel. Without your support, I could not spread these messages of hope and freedom. Let's begin. What if ancient Atlantean symbols weren't just myth, but encoded blueprints within our DNA? In this video, we will explore the idea that sacred geometry, light language, and mythic archetypes may act as dormant keys to human evolution, waiting to be activated through intention, resonance, and remembrance. What if when the ancient Atlanteans wrote down their knowledge in the form of strange undeciphered glyphs and symbols, they were encoding sacred blueprints directly into our DNA? What if these symbols are not mere pictures or ideograms, but actual energetic keys that could unlock hidden potential within us? It's a radical idea, one that challenges everything we know about ancient civilizations. But as scientists uncover astonishing links between genetics and archaeology, could there be something more to these enigmatic markings than meets the eye? Let's dive deep into the fascinating realm where science, spirituality, and ancient wisdom intertwine. Before history was written, memory was etched in light. The sands of time hold secrets waiting to be uncovered, and the whispers of Atlantis echo through millennia. Could the key to understanding these lost civilizations lie in our own genetic makeup? Join me as we explore the groundbreaking theory that the Atlanteans left behind encoded messages within our DNA, shaping our destiny and holding the key to our evolution. The story begins with a civilization shrouded in mystery, the legendary kingdom of Atlantis. Plato's dialogues tell of a utopian island nation advanced beyond measure until divine retribution plunged it into the ocean depths. Some dismiss Atlantis as a fanciful fable, while others argue for its historical existence. Could this vanished realm harbor clues about the nature of reality itself? Now let's turn our attention to a baffling archaeological puzzle: ancient petroglyphs and structures adorned with enigmatic symbols. Across the globe, from the Nazca Lines in Peru to Stonehenge in England, megalithic sites bear witness to markings that have puzzled scholars for centuries. Are these designs merely decorative, or do they encode deeper truths about our existence? What if these patterns hold the key to unlocking forgotten wisdom, a wisdom so profound it was deliberately encoded in stone and preserved for millennia? Intriguingly, Atlantean lore speaks of memory keepers, individuals entrusted with safeguarding the collective consciousness and transferring knowledge across generations. Could these memory keepers have been the very ones who embedded encoded wisdom in physical structures, ensuring its survival? This practice aligns with the Hermetic principle of mentalism, which asserts that all is mind and that the universe can be shaped by thought. If all is mind, then the universe can be reshaped by thought. Consider the possibility that these symbols didn't just represent ideas or serve as mere decoration. Instead, they may have acted as powerful triggers, resonating with the observer's consciousness and opening access to higher states of awareness. In essence, they become doorways to expanded perception and understanding. In my research, I've delved deep into ancient texts and archaeological evidence, seeking to piece together the puzzle of Atlantean culture. And let me share with you a fascinating discovery. The Egyptian god Thoth, often depicted as a baboon or ibis, played a pivotal role in Atlantean mythology. Revered as the deity of wisdom and magic, Thoth was believed to possess profound knowledge of the universe. What if the Atlanteans channeled Thoth's wisdom through these very symbols? By imprinting these signs, they could activate dormant aspects of human consciousness. Thoth's association with cats is particularly intriguing. Cats, with their otherworldly grace and nocturnal habits, have long been linked to the realm of the unseen. Could there be a connection between these enigmatic symbols and the feline mystique? Interestingly, cats have the ability to perceive dimensions beyond our own, making them ideal guides in unraveling the mysteries of the universe. When we contemplate the possibility that these ancient symbols hold the key to accessing higher dimensions, the role of cats becomes even more significant. To truly understand the implications of these symbols, we must first grasp the concept of a light language. Imagine a realm where light particles communicate information beyond the scope of our ordinary senses. Scientists have made remarkable progress in decoding the language of light, revealing its immense power to carry information and influence biological processes. But how do we decipher these light language codes? One promising approach involves harnessing the power of our own bodies as receivers. By tuning into the subtle vibrations encoded within us, we can unlock a wealth of knowledge and understanding. Intriguingly, this aligns with ancient wisdom traditions that emphasize the importance of introspection and self-discovery. Let's delve deeper into the quantum realm and explore the mind-bending implications of quantum biology. Recent scientific studies have shed light on the surprising ways in which quantum mechanics influences life itself. At its core, quantum mechanics deals with probabilities and potentialities, a realm where particles exist in multiple states simultaneously. Could these quantum effects play a role in shaping our consciousness and our connection to ancient wisdom? Imagine a world where the boundaries of space and time dissolve, and where the observer becomes an integral part of the observed. That's the essence of quantum interconnectedness. In this extraordinary realm, the observer doesn't just passively observe, but actively participates in creating reality. One compelling idea is that these symbols and sounds act as vibrational triggers, resonating with the quantum fluctuations within us. When we encounter these triggers, our bodies, with their intricate quantum machinery, respond by rearranging energy patterns. The result is an activation of dormant genetic sequences and cellular pathways, leading to profound shifts in consciousness and perception. Now let's bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science by exploring the fascinating field of quantum biology. Recent discoveries have revealed that quantum effects play a crucial role in vital biological processes. From photosynthesis to bird migration, nature seems to harness the power of quantum mechanics in ways that were previously unimaginable. Think about it. Just as sunlight activates the process of photosynthesis in plants, could these ancient symbols and sounds act as catalysts for activating latent genetic potential within us? When we expose ourselves to these triggers, our bodies, with their complex quantum machinery, respond by rearranging energy patterns. This rearrangement can lead to the activation of dormant gene sequences and cellular pathways, ultimately resulting in profound shifts in consciousness and perception. It's like tuning a radio to a specific frequency to pick up a broadcast. Similarly, we can tune into the vibrational frequencies encoded within us by exposing ourselves to these ancient triggers. As we align with these frequencies, we open ourselves up to receiving the encoded wisdom and knowledge embedded within our DNA. Have you ever wondered about the mysterious concept of dimensional memory? What if I told you that our memories extend far beyond the confines of a single lifetime? Enter the groundbreaking idea that our memories transcend individual lives and connect everyone to a vast web of collective consciousness. But how does this relate to the ancient Atlanteans and their enigmatic symbols? Here's where things get truly fascinating. The concept of dimensional memory suggests that we carry within us the collective experiences and knowledge of all our past lives. This means that we have access to a rich tapestry of memories, emotions, and wisdom that have been passed down through countless lifetimes. And here's where the Atlanteans enter the picture. It's theorized that the Atlanteans, with their advanced understanding of consciousness and energy, recognized the significance of dimensional memory. They realized that these memories held the key to unlocking our true potential and understanding the nature of reality itself. But how did they preserve this knowledge across the eons? Enter the ancient symbols and structures. These served as anchors, imprinting the vibrational frequencies of Atlantean wisdom into physical reality. By imprinting these frequencies, the Atlanteans ensured that the encoded knowledge would survive the test of time, waiting for individuals like you and me to rediscover it. Now let's delve deeper into the concept of reincarnation and how it relates to these ancient codes. Reincarnation refers to the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, where the soul transmigrates from one physical form to another. Each new life presents an opportunity for growth, learning, and evolution. Could it be that the Atlanteans believed that these codes were carried across lifetimes, allowing individuals to tap into their vast knowledge and abilities? Imagine the implications if each new life presented a chance to access and expand upon the accumulated wisdom of countless previous existences. This brings us to the fascinating idea that these symbols resonate with specific aspects of our consciousness. Consider the possibility that when we encounter these symbols, they trigger a shift in our perception, opening us up to higher states of awareness. Think about it. Just as a tuning fork resonates at its natural frequency, our consciousness can also resonate with specific vibrations. When we encounter these ancient symbols, they act as keys that unlock dormant parts of our being. Here's where things get truly mind-blowing. According to some theories, these symbols don't just represent abstract concepts, but actually trigger shifts in our DNA structure. Imagine the incredible power that comes from being able to alter the very building blocks of our being, simply by aligning with certain frequencies. When we align with these frequencies, our DNA strands begin to resonate, potentially leading to the activation of latent genetic potential. This activation allows us to express abilities and traits that have been dormant for thousands of years. Some believe that these activated abilities include enhanced intuition, telepathy, and even telekinesis. Picture a world where we can tap into a collective consciousness, communicate telepathically, and manipulate matter with our minds. It might sound like science fiction, but the Atlanteans may have already unlocked these powers and embedded them within our DNA. As I continue my research into the hidden mysteries of the Atlanteans, I'm struck by the profound implications of their legacy. These enigmatic people may have possessed knowledge that transcended our current understanding of science and consciousness. Their insights into the nature of reality and the power of symbols could hold the key to unlocking our true potential. But how can we access this ancient wisdom? Some believe that the key lies in our own DNA, that the Atlanteans encoded messages within our genetic makeup, waiting for us to decipher them. Others suggest that the symbols and structures scattered across the globe act as triggers, activating dormant parts of our consciousness. The idea that we carry the wisdom of Atlantis within us is both exhilarating and humbling. It suggests that we have the capacity to tap into a vast wellspring of knowledge and power that has been passed down through countless generations. But how can we activate these latent abilities? Some propose that exposure to the ancient symbols and structures can act as a catalyst for awakening. By immersing ourselves in the vibrations encoded in these places, we can trigger shifts in our DNA consciousness. Here's a simple yet powerful activation ritual that you can perform to tune in to your own memory codes. Find a quiet space where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to wander. Picture yourself surrounded by the ancient symbols and structures that resonate with you. Imagine walking among the stones or gazing at the intricate carvings, allowing their energy to flow through you. As you immerse yourself in this experience, repeat a mantra or affirmation that connects you to the Atlanteans and their wisdom. For example, you could say, "I am connected to the ancient wisdom of Atlantis. I am aligned with the memory codes within my DNA." Visualize the activation of dormant parts of your being, allowing latent abilities and knowledge to surface. Feel the shift in consciousness as you open yourself up to the possibilities. Embrace the journey of discovery and self-realization that awaits you. Trust that the Atlanteans are guiding you, helping you unlock your full potential. As you conclude the ritual, take a moment to express gratitude for the wisdom of the ancients and the potential that lies within you. Carry this sense of connection and empowerment with you throughout your day, knowing that you have access to the vast knowledge encoded within your very being. The Atlanteans may have left behind more than just myths and legends. They could have embedded their wisdom and abilities directly into our DNA, shaping our destiny and influencing our evolution. It's up to us to explore these fascinating concepts and decide whether they resonate with our own beliefs and experiences. But one thing is clear: the quest to understand the Atlanteans and our place in the cosmos is an ongoing journey. If you found this video intriguing, consider subscribing to the channel to continue our journey together. Remember, stay connected, embrace stillness, and see you in the next video. It is done.